Hi, I'm Raquel. At ToroFINTECH, we're diving deeper into blockchain's power beyond tokenized assets to explore the trends shaping finance today. First up, stablecoins are moving closer to U.S. regulation. On June 17th, the Senate passed the Genius Act, requiring stablecoin issuers to maintain full reserves and submit regular audits. It hasn't passed the House yet, but when it does, expect major companies like Visa and Walmart to expand stablecoin payments, making fast, low-cost global transactions a reality. Next, real-world assets are being tokenized faster than ever. We're talking about stocks, real estate, and even fine art on blockchain. Coinbase is pushing to tokenize equities, and institutions like BlackRock and Citi are already exploring blockchain-based ownership models for everyday investors. Now here's where it gets interesting. AI is powering smarter smart contracts. These contracts can now adapt, trigger, and evolve based on real-world data, opening the door to automated lending, insurance, and supply chain applications, all without middlemen. Finally, blockchains are getting both faster and more private. Zero-knowledge proofs, or ZKPs, are helping users protect their data while proving ownership. Meanwhile, banks like HSBC and Bank of America are piloting blockchain for secure, traceable transactions. From regulation to innovation, blockchain isn't just disrupting finance, it's rebuilding it. Want to stay ahead of the wave? Hit like, subscribe, and comment below if you want us to cover a specific blockchain trend in our next episode.